Alright folks, I want to make this video showing you where your oil filter as well as your oil drain screw is at on a Chevy Avalanche. And it's probably the same for your Chevy Suburbans, your Silverados, your Tahoes, and possibly a couple of other vehicles, trucks especially. What you want to do basically is just look underneath your vehicle from the driver's side. Go to the driver's side of your vehicle and look up underneath there. And if you do that, you'll be able to see your filter, which is right here, as well as your drain screw, which is right here. You'll probably need about a size 15 socket to loosen that drain screw right there. And also you're probably going to want to have some oil filter pliers to remove that oil filter, because it's kind of awkward the way it's up inside of there. But with some pliers, it shouldn't be no problem. You may be able to get it off with your hand, but it just makes it easier if you actually have some filter remover pliers pretty much. And you also want to have a pan, because when you take out that screw, as well as when you take off that filter, there's going to be a lot of oil that's going to come out of it. And this is, like I said, probably the same from about the 1999 all the way up to about the 2010, maybe even a little newer also. Like I said, just look up underneath your vehicle on the driver's side of your vehicle, and you should see your filter right here, and right beside it will be your drain screw to change out your oil. Some vehicles you can get to your filter from popping the hood, but on these you want to actually do it from up underneath your vehicle. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.